In today's printer service instructions, we will be reviewing the ADF maintenance kit for the HP LaserJet M525, 575, 630, 651, 680, 725, and 775, the ADF document feeder. And the part number for the kit will be L2725-60002, as well as the L2718A. And the kit contains one ADF pickup roller assembly, part unknown at the time of this video, and one ADF separation pad, part number CC355-40005. And I will leave a full and complete listing of all the models that this ADF kit works in the comment section. And the symptoms that you'll get from a device telling you that it's time to replace the ADF is, of course, the message on the control panel, replace ADF kit, but you'll get paper jams at the ADF, feeding noises at the ADF, and those are both very good indicators it's time to replace it. For the demo today, we'll be using the 525 as our machine, but the procedure is similar across all the models described. And we'll start by making sure the printer is off and unplugged. Approach it from the front. Open the top access door. This assembly is just spring loaded. Push to the right and then pull out and reverse the procedure to reinstall. And we'll reinstall. A couple of repair notes. To do this takes about 3 to 5 minutes. The page count reset instructions will be found in the comment section below. OEM recommended page yield on this is about 100,000 pages. And Metrofuser offers this in a number of different options, OEM and compatible. And there are exploded diagrams you can take a look at on metrofuser.com. Just click on blog and search. And if you'd like to see more of these videos, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll keep making them. Thanks for watching.